Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I made these awesome floating shelves. For this project I followed DIY Creator's video, and I'll have a link to his video in the description below in case I missed any steps. I would also like to point out that I am new to woodworking, so my methods may not be the best, but I will still go ahead and show you guys how I made my version of these floating shelves. Now, to start off, here are the materials I used for this project. If you don't have a miter saw, you can easily just use a circular saw. I also created a SolidWorks model of the floating shelves just to sort of get back into 3D modeling since I have not used SolidWorks in a while. I will link a tutorial video below on how I created this model in case you guys are interested in learning SolidWorks. Now on to building the floating shelves. So first, you will need to cut your 2x8s to your preferred length. In my case, I cut to 2 feet long. As I mentioned before, you can use a circular saw for this step. Next, you can go ahead and cut your dowels to 4 inches long. You will need 3 for each shelf. Once you have all your dowels cut to length, you can go ahead and drill 3 holes on one side of your shelf. I drilled 2 inches away from the outer edge and right in the center. Next, you will cut 1.5 to 2 inches from the long side where we drilled the holes using a circular saw. Now I am sorry, I am new to YouTube and filming videos, so I did get in the way here. Finally, now that your pieces are cut, it is time to sand. As I mentioned before, I am new to woodworking and I have quickly found out that I hate sanding, but it is necessary if you want your shelves to be nice and smooth. So this tip I got from DIY Creator's video, and what you want to do is sand down the dowels using your drill and some sandpaper, as I am showing you here, and this will allow the shelves to easily slide in and out. Once you assemble all the pieces together, you will want to go ahead and sand once more, and then you can use a tack cloth to wipe down your shelves before you stain or paint them. In my case, I decided to stain them using Rust-Oleum Ultimate Wood Stain, which you can find for cheap at Walmart. I applied the stain with a paintbrush and then went back and removed it with an old shirt, so you can use any old rag you want. While they are drying, I went ahead and located all of my studs at the locations I plan to mount the shelves. I will be using 2-inch construction screws. Finally, I made sure my shelves were level and went ahead and screwed them in. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and please go ahead and subscribe. I promise my videos will get better. Also, I left links for some things I used in case you want to build one of these yourself. Thank you for watching.